Here's how to mount your RoadSpy super mount. Remove the thumb screw and 1/4-inch camera adapter and set it aside. Remove the 4 assembly screws and set them aside. Place the top portion of your super mount on top of the rearview mirror's tubular segment, as shown. For even number models, like the RS8, RS10, RS14, RS28, etc., you can adjust the mirror downward first before placing the top portion on. Then adjust it upward once it's in place. Place the bottom portion, as shown, with the GoPro-style knuckles pointed toward the rearview mirror. Screw the 4 screws that you removed in step 2 back into the super mount. Don't tighten it too much just yet. Once the 4 screws are almost all the way in, the super mount should still be able to rotate. Rotate it so the GoPro-style knuckles are pointed straight down. Mount your camera, phone, or radar detector now to check if the knuckles are pointed straight down or not. Once you're happy that your device is level, you can tighten all 4 screws all the way down. If you ever need to level a device, loosening the 4 assembly screws will loosen the super mount enough to allow you to level it. Most rearview mirror tubular segments don't have wire attached or running alongside it. But if you do have a wire attached or running alongside this tubular segment, then remove the plastic clip holding the wire in place and install the RoadSpy. Then you can use a tie wrap to hold the wire back in place. Sometimes there's shrink wrap on this tube instead of a removable plastic clip. You can cut that shrink wrap to release the wire and install your RoadSpy. If you're having an issue trying to get the top part of your RoadSpy onto the tube, place the top piece onto the bottom of the tube, then rotate and slide the top piece into place on top of the tube.